Okay, so let's move right along to the next page. So we're going to go here and we're going to go to full Galvo installation, and we're going to go to the first number 3, which is the hardware. And you should be on this video right here. If you're not, then get out of this and go back. So once we're on it, then what will happen is this is where you're going to start to learn the nomenclature of it. Now there is a pre-installation sheet, but for this is just making sure that it's out of the crate and there was no crate damage, and document it if there is. So the big thing is that you have a desktop and you have a fiber shop or cabinet unit. Now they all have different features. We point them out here in these pages, but the big thing to remember is that you're getting it staged, getting all the packing off of it. Use the hand crank to go all the way up and all the way down on the system, and then you would obviously go into plugging it in. Now, if you notice that on the one manual we have here, you'll see numbers associated with areas. Learn these nomenclatures. If not, print these pages out, put them up by your laser, so that if you're talking to one of us on the phone, it helps to point out. Remember, with the control panel, the AC control panel of the laser, especially on the cabinet unit here, you're going to activate these in a certain order. If they're in the wrong order, it hurts the unit. And remember, once you do power, you do have to power on this PC. It won't just come on by itself. Okay, now, if we go back over here, notice you have these sections, these 4 sections. Obviously, anything to do with the support of those sections. So go here, go one more page, and I want you to notice that we've also put the same thing in here, and we also have it here on the PAR. This is important to troubleshooting. The big thing is that you have it into place and that you checking for things like making sure that it's plugged in right, that there's proper ventilation, that it's a cool, it can't run in a warm area, and that your line is isolated. If you have a lot of big things on the same line, a microwave, refrigerator, you're going to harm that fiber source. That's why you want on a surge protector. The other thing is there's a ground strap behind it. Hook that ground strap up to the center of your receptacle where you plugged it in. That takes you right to frame ground, or take it to a pipe. If you have a lightning strike, it will save your laser. But the big thing is, pay attention to this list here. This is huge. Okay? All right, thank you.